For the very first time, Mahabaleshwar recorded its lowest temperature at 0 degrees Celsius. While regions across India have been reporting descending temperatures this season, on January 11th, Maharashtra's Mahabaleshwar lowest temperature. Reportedly, due to the drop of temperature to 0 degrees, the dewdrops had frozen and tourists felt like Shimla in Mahabaleshwar. Apparently, the havoc of cold in Maharashtra will increase for next few days. Meanwhile, the meteorological department has issued a yellow alert of unseasonal rain in Maharashtra for few days. Moving on, as Maharashtra is under the influence of cold winds blowing from North India, on the other side, the Kashmir Valley is in grip of severe cold wave. The minimum temperature dropped at most places in Kashmir and intense cold wave conditions continued in the valley. Here are the glimpses.